saying they need somebody to go and sit with them. But I should tell you people.
Obwabiri nagambaho n'ababazi b'ebitabo aba local government eza district ezitorinwemo omure rwagati burenje rw'izoba n'amatemba ag'ihanga omuruhoima city akubatendeka okubeine kubika ebitabo by'ebyafaayo ebibarukora. Silver Tindizarira assistant commissioner wa ministry ya government z'ebichweka arikujunanizibwa n'ahakurambura za district nashoborra ngu government z'ebichweka nizishyira kimwe ahansi Omukuhisya abantu Obuheereza kandi okuhandika kurungi ebikwatirine n'enshohoza y'esente ni kikuru omunkurakurana y'ebichweka. Nagira ngu buri ntebekanisa yona eya government z'ebichweka nobukwakuba okwombeka ebyombeko ninga okukora enguudo nobubyakuba eby'obuhingi n'oburiisa nibikorerwa mu ofisi y'ebyesente konka omugasho gwabyo nigurebekera omukuba rukukora okuhandikana n'okubiika ebyo ebikwatirine n'enshohoza.
Basically to remind them on their work as we prepare them for a system which is called the simplified computerized accounting and reporting tool, which is being cascaded to local governments.
Nashoborra ngu okuhandika kurungi ebikwatirine n'ebyesente bikabikwa tikikora nk'akaromborombo ak'ebyesente konka ohireho na n'okureetaho obwesige okuruga mu bantu babutosha hamwe na n'okworeka embalirra.
The accountants have know what to do, but because when we are recruiting accountants, we based on their professions. But now what we are doing is like a CPD, continuous professional development.
Michael Geoffrey Twinomujuni nawe arukurgo ministry ya government z'ebichweka yashaba ababazi b'ebyesente okweta habuhabuzi obukubahebwa ababazi b'ebitabo obwe barugumizamu n'okukora emirimo yabo ey'ebyesente ahabwo ku bantu bo bantu abarukwijagumizamu nibacheberwa n'okushwijumwa okubarukora.
We want the internal auditors to come and look at our accounts, our books of accounts. So that purple ink may not even be there in some of our books of accounts. So when the auditors come like this, what do? We give them fuel. Let go. We don't want them there. I will follow you. At the end of it, when the green pens come, those are what? The external auditors.
Mugisa Katusabe ari umubichi wa Kiryandongo Town Council district ya Kiryandongo yagira ngo okutendeka okunu kwija kubahwera okwiha enshobi n'oburemezi obubabire nibashanga omukuhandika ebyesente obu ebitongore byingi bya government biriyo nibihindura omunkora eyembara y'ebyesente. Katusabe yayihanangiriza ababazi b'ebyesente batahibe okutomutima ahankoransi eziteirweho ezokubara ebyesente omukworeka enkozesa yazo hamwe n'embarirra obu hariho empindahinduka omu by'okuhandika n'okworeka enkozesa y'esente ebiteirwe no mu nshoro za y'emishoro obwa hati ebiteirweho.
Other accountants have challenges because some of them are account assistants who may be having from the diploma. You see, class work are different from the real practical part of this office. In the classes, we learn some few areas, but when you come to the work, you really see a difference between most likely posting the books, abstracting, making the ledgers, and then going up to the preparation of the trial balance.
Gasha Kwagad Asaba, Ahabwata West.